Hello everyone, my name is Pascal Borgstein, Sales Manager at Aeon Technology. We at Aeon keep challenging the boundaries of product design and offering a much more complete product line as to industrial computer boards. Now there's a paradox between small form factor and high CPU performance, which we have solved today with these latest generation boards. One is a 3.5-inch Genie board and the other one is a 4-inch EPIC board. We're going to look at much more detail today into these boards, so let's get started. So let's start with the GENE-CML5, which gives all necessary functions needed to support a wide range of embedded applications, where you need high computing power and expansion possibility, such as artificial intelligence and edge computing, as well as various other industrial automation applications. On the board we have 2 gigabit LAN, 2 times external USB 3, 2 times internal USB 2. We have the DisplayPort connector, which supports up to 4K, VGA, LVDS, socket CPU, RAM and memory. Then on the back we have an M.2 module for an AI module. Then we have 2 COM ports here, digital I/O here, and there's a common feature through the FPC right here, through PCIe. And we have selected other boards, for instance a 2 times PoE LAN board and a 32-bit digital I/O board. But of course you can also have your own PCIe x4 slot for your own expansion card. So the I/O features of the EPIC-CFS7 offer dedicated features for the industrial machine vision and production control. So it offers 2 times HDMI with 4K support, 4 times external USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, 1 USB 2 internal port, 2 internal COM ports, 2 PoE LAN ports. Then of course you have here the socket CPU, then we have RAM and SSD, and here also a mini PCIe expansion card slot. Then we have here the what we saw with the Genie as well, the PCIe x4 FPC cable connector for possibly again 2 additional PoE ports on top of these, or a 32-bit digital I/O, or again your own PCIe x4 expansion card. And these are the highlights between these 2 boards. M.2 M-Key 2280 PCIe x4, PCIe x4 through FPC, PCIe x4 FPC slot for PoE card expansion. Unique differences on Ethernet is that Genie supports vPro, where EPIC supports PoE 802.3 AF. So last but not least, we also have Turnkey Chassis for all our embedded boards for EPIC and Genie. So if you don't want to make your own chassis, which can be a challenge in some cases also from thermal point of view, we have a line of turnkey chassis for you which fit our industrial motherboards. So let's summarize these solutions. 2 small form factor high performance solutions to fit especially AI on the edge, machine vision, robotics and powerful industrial automation applications. We can imagine that you might have a project where these features are great, but you're missing 1 or 2 things. Then our local team is here to support you to customize on board and system level with embedded components only for long longevity and high quality. So please contact us for more details. Thank you very much.